Welcome students, today we are going to start 6th chapter of civics and that is understanding media. Did you know that there is one word that is often used to collectively refer to the radio, TV, newspaper, internet and several other forms of communication. This word is known as media. So let's understand first what is media. Media is a plural form of the word medium and it describes the various ways through which we communicate in society. It means बेटा माध्यम है ना, जो हमारे हम सब तक जो न्यूज़ पहुंचा रहा है वो माध्यम जो है वो हमारा क्या है, मीडिया. बिकॉज मीडिया रेफर्स टू ऑल मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. जितने भी मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है वो सब मीडिया कहलाते हैं. एवरीथिंग रेंजिंग फ्रॉम अ फोन कॉल टू द इवनिंग न्यूज़ ऑन टीवी कैन बी कॉल्ड मीडिया. And whatever the means of communication such as TV, radio, newspaper are a form of media that reaches millions of people or the masses across the country and the world, and thus they are called mass media. Okay, now why do you think newspaper are called print media? As you read further, you will find that this naming is related to the different technologies that these media use. The following photograph will give you a sense of the ways in which technology that mass media uses has changed over the years and continues to change. Changing technology or machines and making technology more modern helps media to reach more people. It also improves the quality of sound and the images that you see. तो पहले क्या चलता था बेटा, ब्लैक एंड वाइट स्क्रीन देखा करते थे सब लोग, है ना, आपके ग्रैंडफादर ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर के टाइमिंग में. नाउ you all are having color TV, LCD, LED, etc. But technology does more than this, है ना. It also changes the way in which we think about our lives. If we talk about media and money, the different technology that mass media use are expensive. Just think about the TV studio in which the news reader sits. It has lights, cameras, sounds, recorders, transmissions, satellites, etc. All of which cost a lot of money, है ना. सब चीज़ का कॉस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होता है ना. In a news studio, it is not only the news reader who needs to be paid, but also a number of other people who help put the broadcast together. तो जब हम बात करते हैं न्यूज़ की, तो न्यूज़ जब हम देख रहे हैं तो हमें क्या लगता है कि सिर्फ न्यूज़ रीडर को हम पे कर रहे हैं, है ना, न्यूज़ रीडर पेमेंट ले रहा है. बट अपार्ट दिस, न्यूज़ रीडर जो न्यूज़ पढ़ रहा है बेटा, उसके पीछे कितने लोग और उसकी हेल्प कर रहे होते हैं. लाइट मैन होता है, कैमरामैन होता है, एक होता है साउंड पे बैठा हुआ है ना, ट्रांसमिशन, सैटेलाइट, सारे लोगों को हमें क्या पे करना होता है ना, बिकॉज दे ऑल आर हेल्पिंग. This include those who look after the cameras and lights. Also, you read earlier the technologies that mass media use keep changing, and so a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. Due to these costs, the mass media needs a great deal of money to do its work. As a result, most television channels and newspaper are part of big business houses, where you can put advertisement which goes into the radio, TV, newspaper, etc. Even in magazines, है ना. Mass media is constantly thinking of ways to make money. One way in which the mass media earns money is by advertising different things like cars, chocolates, clothes, mobile phones, etc. Now let's talk about media and democracy. As media is called a fourth pillar of the democracy. In a democracy, the media plays a very important role in providing news and discussing events taking place in the country and the world. It is on the basis of this information that citizens can, for example, learn how government works. And often, if they wish, take action on the basis of these news stories. Some of the ways in which they can do this is by writing letters to be concerned ministers, organizing a public protest, starting a signature campaign, asking the government to rethink its program, etc. और बेटा कई बार ऐसा होता है, जो कोई भी रिपोर्ट आप देख रहे हैं वो कई बार बैलेंस्ड रिपोर्ट नहीं हो सकती है. अब बैलेंस्ड रिपोर्ट क्या होता है? अ बैलेंस्ड रिपोर्ट इज़ वन दैट डिस्कसेस ऑल पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यूज़ ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी एंड देन लीव्स इट टू द रीडर्स टू मेकअप देयर माइंड्स, है ना. बैलेंस्ड रिपोर्ट क्या है? जो कि किसी भी स्टोरी के दोनों पहलू दिखा रही है, अच्छा भी और बुरा भी, है ना. राइटिंग अ बैलेंस्ड रिपोर्ट हाउएवर डिपेंड्स ऑन द मीडिया बीइंग इंडिपेंडेंट. An independent media means that no one should control and influence its coverage of news. No one should tell the media what can be included and what should not be included in the news story. An independent media is important in a democracy. As you read above, it is on the basis of the information that the media provides that we take action as citizens. So it is important that this information is reliable and not biased, है ना. कोई भी जो कुछ भी हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है वो किसी भी तरीके के पक्षपात में नहीं होनी चाहिए कि एक ही पार्टी के बारे में कहे जा रहे हैं, अगर पॉलिटिक्स का मैटर है तो, या किसी भी एक बुद्धिजीवी वर्ग के बारे में हम कहे जा रहे हैं, है ना. वो नॉट बायस्ड होनी चाहिए, पक्षपात नहीं होना चाहिए वहाँ पर. However, the reality is that media is far from independent. This is mainly because of two reasons. First one is the control that the government has on the media. When the government prevents either a news item or scenes from a movie or the lyrics of a song from being shared with the larger public, this is referred to as censorship, है ना. तो ये सब क्या होता है? हमारा सेंसरशिप होता है. देयर हैव बीन पीरियड्स इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री व्हेन द गवर्नमेंट सेंसर्ड द मीडिया. द वर्स्ट ऑफ दिस वाज द इमरजेंसी बिटवीन 1975, है ना, टू 1977. लेट मी टेल यू वन टाइम अगेन दैट सेंसरशिप का क्या मीनिंग होता है कि दिस रेफर्स टू द पावर्स दैट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टू disallow media from publishing or showing certain stories. Nowadays, media's close relationship with business often means that a balanced report is difficult to come by. Given this, it is important for us to be aware that the factual information that a news report provides is often not complete and can be one-sided. We therefore need to analyze the news by asking the following questions. जब भी हम कुछ भी न्यूज़ देखते हैं तो हमारे मन में कुछ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, है ना, और हमें जानने भी चाहिए. What is the information I am learning from this report? What information is not being provided? कि कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन उस वक्त हमसे छुपाई जा रही है. From whose point of view is the article being written? Whose point of view is being left out and why? है ना. जैसे अगर हम कोला के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि कोला की क्वालिटीज़ बताई जा रही हैं, तो कोलास के ड्रॉबैक भी बताए जाने चाहिए, है ना. ऐसे ही कई एक एडवर्टीज़मेंट आप जैसे हमेशा देखते रहते हैं, जैसे घड़ी का देखते हैं, घड़ी डिटर्जेंट का पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें, है ना. तो इन सब चीज़ों के आप कई एक एडवर्टीज़मेंट देखते हैं. वैसे ही हमारे कुछ सोशल एडवर्टीज़मेंट भी होते हैं जो कि गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा चलाए हुए होते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पे एक है, सोशल एडवर्टीजमेंट्स रेफर्स टू एडवर्टीजमेंट्स मेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट एजेंसीज दैट हैव अ लार्जर मैसेज फॉर सोसाइटी. And here, what kind of message you all are seeing? The following is a social advertisement regarding crossing of manned, unmanned, level crossing, है ना, कि जब अगर आपके क्रॉसिंग बंद है तो किसी को भी क्रॉस नहीं करना चाहिए. ये आपके अलर्ट और सेफ्टी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्रॉसिंग्स बनाए गए हैं, है ना. सो दिस इज हाउ आवर एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज डन. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. So your first question is, in what ways does the media play an important role in a democracy? So your answer is, in a democracy, media plays a very important role in providing news and discussing events taking place in our country and the entire world. It is on the basis of the information that citizen can learn the functioning of government and take some actions on the basis of these news stories. Some of the ways in which they can do this are writing letters to the concerned ministers, organizing a public protest, starting a signature campaign, asking the government to rethink its program, etc. Now, question number 2 is, you have read about the ways in which the media sets the agenda. What kind of effect does this have in a democracy? Provide 2 examples to support your point of view. So, your answer is, media creates public opinion in a democracy. It can build a public opinion in favor of or against any issue. Today, it has diverted from its real agenda. Instead of highlighting public issues, it is now concentrating upon cheap agendas like fashion shows, child falling in a pit, etc. And examples are, in a democracy, when these kinds of news are made agenda, they divert the attention of masses from country's important issue to useless point to increase TRPs. For example, on 21st September 1995, it has spread by news televisions that Gandhiji were thought to be drinking milk offering. This news was run non-stop and many important issues were sidelined. Now, question number 3 is, how can you say that most television channels and newspapers are part of a big business houses? How does it meet its expenses? So, your answer is, in a news studio, it is not only the news reader who needs to be paid, but also a number of other people who help put the broadcast together. This includes cameraman, lightman, etc. Also, mass media keep changing its technologies, which is rather very expensive. Due to these costs, mass media needs a great deal of money to do its work. As a result, most television channels and newspapers are a part of big business houses. Now, I had given few extra questions also. So, your first extra question is, why independent media is important in a democracy? So, your answer is, in case of democracy, the action taken by its citizens are purely based on the information provided by media, mass media. Hence, it is important that this information is reliable and not biased, which states that independent media is important in a democracy. And second question is, what is balanced report? So, your answer is, balanced report is a kind of report written by a newspaper that is free from any kind of influence and states facts based on reality. Such a report can only be written when media is independent. Independent media simply means that no one should control and influences its coverage of news. So this is how this chapter has been finished. Thank you. Have a nice day.